Hey everyone, my name's Tessa. I'm a schools and community educator here at Sexual Health Victoria. And today I'm here to tell you what we talk about with our young people in schools when we're discussing how to use a tampon for the first time. So step number one is to make sure that the hands are nice and squeaky clean. Give them a nice wash, sing happy birthday 3 times. That's going to make sure that we can keep the tampon as clean and as hygienic as possible to be inserted into the body. Now, different brands of tampons will come wrapped in different things, but the key is to make sure that when we remove that wrapper, which in this case is a twisting motion, that we are making sure not to touch the tampon as much as possible. So in this case, I'm removing the plastic and immediately grabbing onto the string, which will let me hold onto the tampon from the base. Now, in terms of inserting the tampon into the vagina doesn't sit in the body straight up and down like a pipe. It doesn't quite work like that. It's a little bit on an angle that tilts back towards the spine. So using an open fist, we can show them the kind of angle that they might need to insert the tampon in. So placing it at the entrance to the vagina and then using their index finger, gently inserting it in, with the key thing that they need to know being that if they can't feel it once it's inside them, then it's probably been inserted correctly. But if they're feeling a little anxious or maybe we're a little bit nervous about putting in their tampon, it might be sitting at a bit of a strange angle and could feel a bit uncomfortable. So at that point, they can gently remove the tampon and try again. One of the best things that they can do to help sort of reduce the risk of it being inserted at a bit of a weird angle is to make sure that they are relaxed and as calm as possible, because the vagina is a muscle. And when we're feeling kind of nervous, especially about using something like a tampon for the first time, our muscles tend to tense, and the vagina is no different. Now, nobody wants a stressed vagina. We want a happy vagina. So making sure that they're somewhere where they feel calm and safe and can take some deep breaths beforehand can really, really help. That might also include, when they're going to insert it, putting their foot up on the toilet seat can help to gain a little more access to the vagina, or even squatting on the ground. Everyone goes about it in a little bit of a different way. Now, in order to see what these little guys are truly capable of, we have our friendly little jar of fake period blood here. Now, in here I have what is, on average, the amount of blood someone can lose over the course of an entire period. This little guy is only designed to be inside the body for about 3 to 4 hours. So it's not going to absorb all of this, but I want to show you just how capable they are of doing their job. And this is the best part in a classroom with the young people. They absolutely lose it. So you can see already, look at it go! It is a powerful little piece of technology, and I, for one, am very impressed at how hard it's been working. Now, the good news is it's never going to need to soak up that much blood within a 3 to 4 hour period. If it does, and someone's tampon is actually leaking because it is too full of period blood during that amount of time, that can be a really good indicator that they need to size up. Tampons come in a bunch of different sizes and shapes, and they are designed to be able to support people with different period flows. So once that happens, they can wrap it in a piece of paper, a bit of toilet paper or the wrapper, and dispose of it in a sanitary bin or in the bin outside of the bathroom. Easy done.